Today I am going to share how you can make the best of Noumea in a day. A day is enough to travel around the city covering beaches, historic locations by riding on the hop and hop of bus and choo-choo trains. Welcome to Fun Family Travels and keep watching for the details. We visited Noumea on a piano cruise, termed as Pacific Island Hopper. The cruise embarked at the container yard from where we were taken by bus to the ferry building. However, if you have a trip booked, you will be transferred by the tour operator rather than the cruise liner bus service. I would suggest to save your dollars and travel the city by hop and hop of bus service. Unless you are particularly interested to indulge into experiences like Melanesia Encounter or visit to marine reserves. Even you don't have to book the choo-choo train in advance from the shore tour operator. You can book the choo-choo train from different tour operators which are local from the ferry building. It is about 10 to 15 minutes ride from the container yard to the ferry building. And here we are at the ferry building bustling with the crowd and several local tour operators. Some of these tours are similar to the cruise liner tours but at a cheaper price. We got our hop and hop of bus tickets for 15 Australian dollars. They also accept USD and francs, 10 USD or 1200 francs. The bus rides in a loop. The first stop is at Moni Market, then Shopping Mall, Lemon Bay Beach and last is Aquarium. It is one of the most recommended thing to do at Noumea and a budget-friendly way to get a glimpse of the city. We got down at the last stop, Aquarium. Though our initial plan was to walk along the Anse Vata beach and wait for the aquarium to open at 1 p.m. But later we decided to skip the aquarium and get a ride on the choo-choo train. So after a small walk around the Anse Vata promenade, we boarded the bus again back to the ferry building. Go, run! There are several restaurants at Lemon Bay Beach, which can be a good stopover if you are planning for lunch.
Everybody, what do you want to go? Thank you, then.
Train tour, hop on a bus, aquarium.
You want to do what? Choose the bus? No. Can I show you the map? Yeah. Okay.
Please.
We got our train tickets for 45 AUD for adults and 30 for kids. If you are looking to exchange currency at Noumea, you can do so at the ferry building or cruise terminal. Number 1 currency exchange is available inside. Hope you are finding the video helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment box. And please give us like and subscribe. Are you having fun?
Yes, we are having fun with how we're just set up to go.
So the green train operated by Lyvai is $15 less than the choo-choo train or yellow train operated by the cruise. The train route closely follows the bus route until the Aquarium, where it then diverges towards the Ouen Toro Hill, the highest viewpoint located at the south of Noumea. The lookout offers 360-degree view of the city. I think it was a very good decision to skip the Aquarium and ride on the train. We only had 8 hours to travel around the city. The cruise generally docks around 9 am and leaves by 4 to 5 pm. By the way, if you need more information about the cruise, watch the video Piano Cruise Onboard Experience. Link is in the description box below or click on the I button above. It details on the stay, restaurants, entertainment, parties and everything you need to know about. There is a separate video on room type and accommodation, also provided in the description box below. Here I am trying to give you a glimpse of the city as viewed during the ride. The ride is also accompanied by commentary from the driver, where we learned a bit about New Caledonia's history and culture. And we have reached the top of Ouen Toro Hill, which holds 2 Australian cannons dating from World War II. We halted here for about 20 minutes before returning back to the cruise terminal again.
Right in the down there, the 2 big tower on your right side. The first one is Ramada Plaza Hotel. They are having a 360 revolving view restaurant there. And the
After being dropped back at the cruise terminal, we still had a couple of hours left, so we decided to visit Cathedral St. Joseph and explore the markets. We also tried the pastries at a French bakery and they were just outstanding. The pastries ranged from 550 to 600 francs. We further walked towards the Chinatown of New Caledonia before reaching the church. Unfortunately, on reaching, we found the church was closed for renovation, but still this 18th century church was nice to view at from outside. That's the end of Noumea trip, the capital of New Caledonia. We had a beautiful day and was looking forward for back to school party at the cruise. Hope you have enjoyed the video and found it somewhat useful to plan your trip. Do subscribe our channel Fun Family Travels, and in the next video I would cover the Port Vila, capital of Vanuatu.